In this video, guys, you'll be seeing on how to achieve both the cutting of this beautiful hairstyle, guys. Yes, I believe that sometimes some people can braid very well, but parting their hair is always difficult. So this video is for you guys. Yeah, what matters when you are braiding your hair, the cutting really matters. So here you have to learn how to part your hair very neat, the style, and how to do your Ghana braid. Please, this is not stitch braid, this is Ghana braid. All this braid, I told you guys there's different types of them, this braid. Yeah, so this is Ghana braid, it's not stitching. So this is it. After parting your hair, you part your hair very well. Then you start by braiding your hair. Then you start braiding your hair with your natural hair. Yes, it will make them out to be more pencil and very neat from the start. Then you start to add your extension. There is something I want to tell you guys on this video. When you are adding your extension, please stop adding that extension on top of the braid. Watch this video carefully, just close and watch it. You can watch it over and over. You can also save this video. You like the hairstyle, you can show it to your stylist to make for you. So that is it. Watch this video carefully, see that this extension is being added under the braid, not on top of the braid. Ask me why. Yes, adding this extension under your braid will make your braid to be more neat and beautiful. Just see it. But when you add your extension on top, guys, it will look as if it's a gallop. It will not be that neat. See how the braid came out, very neat. You will not even know they use the extension on it, because the extension is adding under the braid, not on top of your braid. So that is it. See the cutting, the part of it, see how it's going. So all these hairstyles are not just difficult, you just have to patiently wait and keep on practicing. This is start your hair with your natural hair. Try to get that pencil very neat. This is it. And it will make this your braid not to start cutting. Yes, when you start with your natural hair, your braid will not cut. But when you start it with your extension, that frontage will start to break. So this is it. Start adding your extension under. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Under your braid, it will come out very neat and more beautiful, guys. So you see how it's going. So my dear family, if you still have any question on this hairstyle, this tutorial, you can as well drop it on comment section. Tell me what you feel. Yes, we'll be trying this hairstyle. If you're not a braider, let me know on comment section. And secondly, again, if this video you find it benefit, please let me know in comment section. And do not forget to share this video for me, guys. Please and please share this video. Subscribe to my channel and drop your comment, drop your opinion, tell me what you feel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video.